Hi, this is Tisha. Here's a quick tutorial on ways to use Google Earth within your classroom to help your students learn about geography. It's a three-dimensional globe that you can use to basically search, create projects, map routes out for upcoming trips. Trips a student might want to take when they grow up. A lot of great features. Um, so first, here's to search. In here, you would just click in any place that you'd like to search. The White House, the Eiffel Tower, University of Laverne. The student can just type it in and it would zoom in on the map. Um, Here's a Voyager section, which I found kind of interesting. Um, you go to education, and this will basically teach students just different interesting things like the geometry of castles. Um, I thought that was pretty interesting. Underground railroads. This one was really cool. They could click on this and start exploring, and then this would basically pop up and give them the different animals around the world and their roles that they play on just the balancing of life for animals. So that was really cool under Voyager. Also, there was one more. Let me see if I find it. Mm, Here we go. If you happen to be in Mr. or Professor Speck's what is it, children's literature class, I thought this would be an interesting one. You can explore here, and this will give you different stories from around the world, folk tales, and it gives you like where um, they originate from. So Goldilocks originates from Great Britain. Oops, Great Britain. Here's another one. Joha makes a wish. So I just thought that that was really, really cool. The Emperor and the Kite. Okay, so that's again in Voyager. So I think students can have a lot of fun with this part. So let's go back to, oh, and here's where they would click to create projects. I've created travel arrangements for trips that my family has taken. Here you can change the different views to have a little bit more detail, to have exactly what you want, and then to have absolutely nothing. So we're going to go ahead and leave it on exploration. Here's to measure the distances, which could be a cool tool to use also. So let's go back to not Voyager. We're going to go to the search. And I just thought we would search up some interesting places within our country. Mount Rushmore, which is a national memorial out of South Dakota. I'm sure. So right here you can click, you can add it to a project, you can click here for more information. I'll go ahead and click it so we can take a quick look. So it tells you when it started, um, how long it took to build, and just gives you some, good information on it. It also gives you some ideas of other places that you might be interested in, and the details, opening hours, and stuff like that. So that is really cool. So once you're here, you can just use your mouse to click around. Let's close this up. You can zoom in. Let's see if I can get it to turn so we can see the faces. Um, let's try this. Okay, so you click here. This you can click on any part that's blue, and it will take you to the street view of that location. So let's give that a try. I believe this is where the faces were. So here we go. We should be zooming in. Okay, so here's the street view. Now we can take a look around. And gives you the view like if you're actually there. So it's really cool. And there are the faces. Pretty cool. And then you can just, let's see if we can get out far. Okay, so we're going back to the top of it. And again, you can click here, and let's say we wanted to see something right here, the Lincoln Visitor Center. So click this, which also, I'm sorry, click here. It highlights the blue areas of which you can go to and see the view from that, which is really cool. So you can click all the different little centers. Well, that's kind of interesting. That are around here. Looks like a great spot to just sit and take in the view. Okay, now if you wanted to just jump out of it altogether, you can go here and click on the Earth, and it'll take you all the way out back to the view from space. Okay, so let's go and search another. How about the White House? Oh, maybe here we go. Here we go, zooming in. So again, you can click here, get more information, see different pictures, get different ideas of what else might be in the area that you might want to see. It's an aerial view still. And you can see all the different locations that are in this area. Again, we can click this little guy, and it'll take us to all these different spots to see the street view. So let's go ahead and click right here in front of the White House and see. Wait, no, that's not the front. I believe this is the front. So we'll click right there. And it's going to zoom us in. And we're just going to turn, and there you have the White House. So that is pretty cool. You can zoom in, zoom out. And start all over. So here's a compass. So you can see the red is the north, east, southwest, have an idea. What do we have here? Oh, this is fly to your location. So you can put in, if I click it, it'll take you to my house, I think. Haven't really used that too much. Different views. Let's go ahead and search University of LeBron and see what we get. All right, so here we go. It's pretty cool. And click more information. Ah, fly here. So I guess we could click that and set up an itinerary. Okay, so very interesting, notable alumni. Gives you information, gives you, oh, okay. Other nearby colleges, a phone number and website. And there we have it.